I see people freak out all the time that when they get into an accident that wasn't even their fault, all of a sudden their monthly insurance premiums skyrocket. It's frustrating for me as a lawyer because I want to solve all the problems when it comes to an accident. There is little or nothing a lawyer can do to stop your insurance rates from rising. Some states have regulations that prevent that. Alabama really doesn't. There are a couple things I can suggest that you do if your insurance company raises your rates after a wreck. First thing is call your insurance agent. There might be different policies or different products you can switch to that will prevent you having to pay more for something that wasn't even your fault. The second thing I would recommend is just switch insurance companies. I know people have a lot of loyalty for companies they've been with for a long time, but loyalty doesn't stop that company from trying not to pay your claim. So just switch, shop around, check your rates, and you may be able to counteract that price increase by changing companies. One question I get asked all the time is, the accident wasn't even my fault. Why are my rates going up? If someone is getting into a ton of accidents and they keep getting rear-ended all the time, that probably means that driver is driving in an area where there's lots of population, lots of other cars, they're on busy roads, they're headed to work. So that car is in a bunch of situations where it could get hit even when it's not doing anything wrong. So that person is more expensive to insure than an 85-year-old farmer whose car never leaves his lot. That farmer is never in a situation where he's going to get hit, whether it's his fault or not. So that guy's rates are going to stay low, whereas someone who's around a lot of traffic a lot of times, their rates might go up. Also, after you get into an accident and you open a claim with your insurance company, that adjuster is immediately going to start investigating the accident. Part of that's investigating your history. Your company may not have really looked into the updates in your life since you signed up for the insurance years ago. So if they learn some new information, like maybe your child is over 16 now, they're gonna input that information and it'll spit out a new rate for you, and that can explain the rate increase as well.